When you play with perception, your probability to win gets increased. And you don't believe it, right? But have you watched that movie called Chichore? Sushant Singh Rajput, yeah? So there was this scene in Chichore where they were about to play kabaddi, right? And the SSR, Sushant Singh Rajput, yeah, SSR team brought the guy who was cooking in their mess, right? And they made him dress up as the gym owner, or sorry, the coach. And just by the look of it, the other team got so scared that they would just don't put that much effort that they could have. And maybe there was a chance of them winning. But just because of the perception they built that now they have a coach, oh, they would play way better. The whole game of them, of theirs, got ruined. And what changed here? Only the perception, because they were at the similar stage. It's just that the perception made them feel that they are somewhere lower. And this is a huge thing in the Indian community, right? So when we go outside in the foreign countries, we have so low self concept that we lose before even trying. On very like the average man who goes to foreign. But then once we build confidence, we are just so better because we have this hustle culture in our country, right? That is not outside. Similarly, just the perception of yours can completely change the whole conversation. So, for example, when you get in a conversation but you are dressed up and you look elegant, you look cool, you have a deep voice, the whole game would change because now the person in front of you feels that this is a professional man, this is a man, or this is someone who has depth in him, right? And then maybe suddenly he would talk to you with sir, right? So I remember like when I would go to these, when I got money, I would go to these showrooms. And before that, I would just randomly, when I'm with my dad, right? So I would just randomly get away from them and would talk to some guy and he would be like, beta, aisa karo. And it's like, yeah, vagera, vagera. Obviously, I'm a kid, so beta is fine. But a few years later, just a few years later, when I went inside that cafe and I knew that I can buy anything, like at least one of it, I was really confident. So I go there and I talk to them properly, and suddenly the beta turned into sir. And see, I don't have this fetish of being called sir, daddy it is, but the point is that the perception changed. And why did the perception change? Just because how I was talking, just because how my body language was, and other stuff. Similarly, so this was when I try to project my project and give them my perception. So I tried or I acted in a way that would build their perception for me. On the other hand, you can do the same for yourself, right? When you say, like, you have heard, have you watched that movie? What was that name? Where there was that cars in name hai, wow. So he would just say to himself that I'm speed, I'm Lightning McQueen, I'm the fastest car in the world, and shit like that. That would make his own consciousness realize and build that confidence in himself that would make him work even better. So a good perception can make you work even better than the things that you could do. It would bring the 100% potential in you. While on the other hand, if you have bad perception, it would not only make you average, it would ruin your whole performance, right? And this must be a small video because that's a small point, but the depth or the usage or the application of it is very vast, and you can use it in every part of your life, right? Last example would be in school, like in 12th, right? If some teacher comes to me and says, "Ki, oh, sabke samne bolo," I would get awkward. I would be like, ma'am, matlab, I would go as a silent, or even if I've learned shit, I would just look at every person's face and just try to imagine if I'm doing good or not. Not by realizing ki, oh, I'm speaking well or not, but by looking at and analyzing the face of the people who are listening, which is kind of wrong because when I was in sixth, right? So I learned this whole skit, right? And I'm doing it in front of the children, and the kid just in front of me is just making faces, right? And I'm getting angry and I'm speaking and I'm getting angry. And after some point, and I'm trying not to stutter because I'm getting distracted by this guy. So after some point, I stopped my skit in between and I was like, sir, he's doing these weird faces. And sir looked at me and said, you were a 10 out of 10 up until now, and suddenly you are a 6 now. And he said it in some other words, but his point was, I made him make faces. You were the one who was in wrong. You shouldn't have listened or looked at him. This is a kind of side story. So, yeah, don't let others dictate what you do or what when you stop. Do your own thing and then let them fuck off. Sure, I shouldn't abuse, I guess. But when I came to this college, even if I don't know shit, like I know I like there was this seminar of mine where I had to go and talk about like write about what was that? Like autobiography का एक small रूप होता है जिसको पता नहीं क्या कहता है, I forgot the name. So in that you have summarized the whole thing. So the assignment was that I need to write what is that thing, what is that short summary. What I did was I wrote a short summary on Mahatma Gandhi, and that was definitely not the thing that I was supposed to do. But and I look different in this audience, not by I don't know, the color is same. I don't know what was different, but something was different. So this teacher came and said, "Kaun bolega?" And nobody raised their hand, and then he picked just me and said, "Tum bolo." And I stood there and I made stuff in front of them, didn't stutter, looked at people like the hottest girl I could find, and I was like, haha, eye contact. And I did well. Trust me, I added Gandhiji in it in mid of the conversation, and the teacher didn't realize because he was just awestruck. I was just different because I was confident. And I came with this 2x deeper voice, and I was like, "Good morning, sir." And I did shit like that, and he was flat. Fucking flat. So that is what perception does, because in this case, I had a good perception of myself. I knew that fuck, I'm good. Fuck, I'm good. And I know that if the same thing happened in school, like in Delhi, maybe I wouldn't have done that the same shit because of perception, because I would just feel that I'm below them. Not now, obviously. I can just crush any audience, I guess. Hmm. That's it for today. Subscribe, like, comment पहले करो भाई, मतलब because see, subscribers बढ़े ना बढ़े भाई, if you do comments, right, it just completely changes the whole vibe of it. So